Is about the proposed Reserve Officers Training Corps or ROTC bill. Apparently, the possible implementation of mandatory ROTC comes with a hefty price tag. Senate President Cheese Escudero revealed that the ROTC bill would require a staggering 27.12 billion pesos for full implementation. This funding will cover 3 phases, including maintenance, operational expenses, and personal services. Escudero opposes the measure and insisted the amount could be better allocated to other sectors like health or education. But while he is not in favor of the ROTC bill, the Senate President said he will allow it to proceed through the legislative process.
Kasi nung July kasama yan talaga sa LEDAC Tapos sabi nila by June 2025 dapat daw yan mapasa. Pero nakikita ko marami, ngayon mas clear, clear yung mga nakikita natin na nag-o-oppose dito sa ROTC bill as to compare dun sa when it was sa PRRD's administration. Nakita naman natin yung push ng kanyang mga kaalyansa or alyansa dito sa ROTC.
One of the reasons kasi ginagamit to push for the ROTC bill ng mga ibang proponents nito is sabi nila to build and foster nationalism sa ating mga younger generation. Where in fact there was a survey that was conducted that hindi kailangan ng ROTC to build nationalism because the youth are fully engaged but in a different avenue. Social media is that avenue, diba? So we don't need that if we can strike that out as a reason.
Well, can you...
Pero ang sabi nila, before you want to even explore the ROTC, reintegrating it back sa school system. Tingnan muna natin yung why it was removed in the first place.
Yes, yun nga, I was gonna
corruption
say that.
in the ROTC was rampant before.
Diba? The reason why talagang natanggal ito dun sa batas natin because may namatay. Remember that was what year was that? UST student namatay sa hazing because of ROTC. So, and then of course yung corruption din.
One of the kasi is corruption. A lot of people paid their way out of the ROTC program. Ang daming loopholes. So ayusin muna natin ang system before we even explore that.
At saka 2001. See,
so tsaka yung 27 billion na sinasabi ni Senate President Cheese Escudero, ilaan na lang natin kaya sa missile system na pinopropose.
Strengthen siguro yung
security.
Yung security
Homeland security natin.
Yung militarization. Kasi 'di ba, parang it's a balance of quantity over quality. Marami ka nga mga enlisted dahil ROTC pero yung mga kagamitan mo naman it's not really.
Hindi, kunyari when they're called upon, 'di ba? When they're called upon, wala ka naman ammunition, wala kang baril, wala kang boots.
Tsaka aside from that, Senator Cheese Escudero also mentioned na itong magkano 27
billion.
Na po pwedeng gastusin. Can you imagine how many classrooms sa mga sa DepEd pwedeng gastusin? Sa health services, ano pa ba, 'di ba?
Reminder lang po, one computer is being used at a ratio of 30. One computer to 30 to 50 teachers. Kawawa naman ang educational natin.